Here's another topic that actually should be very familiar to what you had if you've already covered arrays before we got into C strings, and that's editing and accessing elements in a character array. First, and we talked about this already, you have to declare the C string first. And declaration is very simple, and it looks very similar to what we did with an array. You have to have the char, because we're using strings here, the name of the string that we want, and then the size of it. So this time you'll notice I kind of went a little bit larger on that because, hey, depending on the application, larger is fine. Don't want to go crazy because remember, when we're using memory from the computer, it's a limited storage space. So we want to try to conserve as best as possible. So in this one, to be very honest with you, that 50 should be 49 because of our \0. I'm going to change that here in a minute. But anyway, so in this overall setup, what I'm trying to get at is starting to see the same thing over and over again. You're going to start seeing string length over and over again. How you can access individual items is exactly what you expected from before. But there's one other item in here that I wanted to show you. And that is, again, very similar to what we discussed in arrays just in general, is that when we create our array or our C string in this case, there's going to be garbage in there. So what I did is that I entered in a name of Sean being me, but notice Sean goes up to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's 4 characters, or the last N in my name is on the 4th index. But notice I printed out 7 and 5 and 30. Notice it came up literally garbage. That's the same exact reason why we have two things. We have to be worried about memory and any type of garbage, or that \0. If I were just to do a regular cout and of that whole name, it's going to go like we just did right here. Notice it goes ahead and prints out Sean, and again it stops at that \0 that you're expecting and know and love in C strings before it starts printing out all the other garbage. That's another reason why that \0 is there. So again, so far this looks very familiar from what you've had in arrays before this particular topic, and well, that's good news for you. And again, very similar to what we had, especially this top part, if we wanted to access one item within the C string or the array, yes, you go ahead and get the name of the overall array or string itself, the index number, and it'll go ahead and produce H in this particular case. It really was from the previous example. Now, if you wanted to change something in there, you can do exactly what you do with the normal arrays. I want to change John to some X, I don't know, maybe he wanted to change his name. It's actually one of my best friends. But anyway, so if I wanted to go ahead and change that, that's fine. I have to access the correct index number. I can set it to a single character. And notice, by the way, that's single quotes that's around there in order to go ahead and change that value. So that's, again, accessing and editing, stuff actually you're already familiar with in our previous concepts of arrays.